friends, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech, and today we have one very special thing from officeitbg.com. If you don't know who they are, you can go and check them up if you're living in Bulgaria, and I promise you this will be very beneficial for you because they offer everything for your office and for your home. So, do you want to see what is it? Nokia 5310, the most ultimate Nokia phone. 13 years ago it was Nokia XpressMusic, and in 2020 it's Nokia 5310, better version of the XpressMusic, but with the same battery life, with the same strength and durability. One amazing phone that I believe it's needed to a lot of people who want to have a backup phone and who want to enjoy their young years with mobile phones when they were having Nokia, because I know all of us were having Nokia before 10-15 years, and we were enjoying together, listening to our radio, playing to our snake game, and everything that this phone has inside in improved version. Now let's open the box and see what awaits us inside. Let's go! Take a knife. Scalpel. Even the box is... Will you marry me? I expected the white version, but this is the main classic black one. We see the look of the phone is not changed. Typical phone. Beautiful.
You're so beautiful.
Very light. And here we see the buttons that we play with our music player and with our volume. On the sides, like the typical Nokia XpressMusic. Then we have the button interface here. I honestly forgot how to work with buttons on the phone. Hope now I'll remember. And one more thing, here we have camera with the flash, which was amazing on this phone at the time when it was released, the charging and the audio jack here. Here we have very good speaker that we will test on the radio. Also about this phone, 2.4 display, inch display. We have Bluetooth, we have dual SIM option, 1200 milliampere battery of it, and it has 30 days to standby time. In the box, what else we have? Here is the charging cable and the charger and the battery and our quick guide, plus warranty, 2 years warranty, international one from Nokia. And the box is very simple and beautiful. This is all of the kit that waits us: phone, battery, charger and guides. Now let's turn on this baby, but before that, of course, I forgot that this phone is not like the modern phones. It's encapsulated and we have to put the battery first. We open it. By the way, I want to remind you to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because with this phone, this classic phone, I start a series of the very budget and beautiful phones, starting with the classic and continuing with some smartphone models. Tomorrow I have one very Huawei model prepared for you that you will see again from Office IT. Thank you very much, guys, for giving me these phones to show it to you, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Now let's put the battery. Do you remember this process? It was pretty amazing. When your phone has a lock, you just do what? Open it and fix the battery. Now we put it. Here we notice a space for micro SD card, which means, wow, you can put micro SD card and actually have some stuff storage on the phone. Now we close it. We need to press in every angle for security. Done. Let's turn it on. Now the sound. 3, 2. It's already on. As you see, it's getting fast on. You see the interface here, pretty friendly and easy to use. The hour, the background. We basically go into the menu with this button. Now we show the phone menu. Here we have messages, Facebook. Of course, every modern phone has to have Facebook. Then we go to internet. If you have internet within your mobile operator, you have on this phone also, which is pretty amazing. For example, you go on a business trip and you want to have your Facebook and everything, you can keep this phone with you because the battery will never let you down. Then we have mobile store, camera, music player, gallery, radio, weather, settings, clock, calculator, counters, whatever that means, extras, files. And this is something very sick. You have Asphalt 6 game and Assassin's Creed game, which of course you have to purchase. You have only 3 free gameplays. Do you want to try Asphalt 6? Of course we will try the most thematic game of them all, the Snake. Now we'll play a little bit Asphalt 6. Play demo. Of course you need to buy it. Ooh, the graphics are sick! RTX on! I already crashed a couple of times. The graphics are sick! Opa! Did I die? Who needs PlayStation? Just get Nokia. Oh, I received Nitro. Go ahead. Still not dead. Still not dead. Go, 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 go. Drifting. Oh god, I died again. Sorry. Man driver busted. Okay. And now because this is a Nokia phone and I can't live without showing you the most thematic Snake game, we gotta see it. This is the updated Snake game. I forgot how to play it. Yay! This became harder to play if you ask me. Need to collect the apples. Yay! No, I eat my body. It's pretty bad result. Before I was doing up to 900. Apparently I'm a beginner right now, but before I was very good. What else you want to test? The camera of this phone. It has a backlight as we see. Let's see the camera menu. Here we have some cool stuff like flash, brightness. We can choose higher, let's say. Then we can choose image effect, scenes. For example, you can choose image effect, grayscale, sepia, green tint, blue tint. This is a little bit cool. Let's make a photo with the phone. Ooh! Let's try with some of the effects. Let's go on sepia. Sepia with the flash on. Let's see how strong the flash is. This is pretty cool picture if you ask me. Not bad, Nokia. Thing we should try, and this is the speaker and how loud the radio is. Let's do it. We're going to radio. From here you increase the sign. This is radio, guys, radio. This is very famous Bulgarian song. It's called Lili Ivanova.
Somebody's daughter, it could have been a nightmare, but they were right there.
Okay, that was cool.
It was a year ago.
And here you can see your radio playing. I really like this phone. I think I should consider keeping it. What do you think? Please tell me in the comment section. And you can subscribe to this video. Oh, subscribe to my channel and like this video, because now ice cream and Nokia phone. Yay, Nokia!